In 1998, a coal-fired CFB boiler with an 11,450 square feet heating surface faced annual costs of $8 to $12 million due to forced outages and maintenance. Erosion damage to the boiler tube and ash buildup deviated material flow into the unprotected substrate. IGS applied SMARTGard HVTS in 2020, cladding areas of low tube thickness to prevent further substrate wastage and eliminate the need to cut and replace tubes. Run cycles increased from 4 to 6 months to 12 to 14 months, with no forced outages and minimal time required for welding and cladding repair. After a 14-month run cycle, the coating remained at 100% as applied condition. Run cycles tripled, costs reduced. That's asset vitality.